How to trim videos in CapCut PC. Well, let's get started. In order to trim video in CapCut PC, right? So let me import it right away. You can tap on the import icon here at the media first and then tap on import plus icon here. And then go ahead and import a certain video that you would like to trim. Then drag it to the timeline. Once you have dragged it to your timeline, all you got to do is now do whether you want to crop it, you want to trim it to certain part, you can choose that part and you can trim it. So trim it on the right or left, or if you want to split it in the middle, you can simply go ahead and select to the part, drag the timer to the part and then go ahead and split it, and you can see here split icon. Similarly, if you can see here the option to split left and split right. So basically if this is here, right, if I want to split, so you can see delete right option. If I want to delete the part on the right, I can do this and the right part will be deleted. Similarly, if I drag it to another side and I select this delete left option, then this left side will be deleted. So this is how you can trim video in CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.